were you that time, ball blockers? Pot! Oh, yeah! I thought the pot wasn't coming, and then it came on row 5. Nice job, pot 5. Whoa! What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and ladies? Check that out. Mango! We're getting at 900. We're getting at 900. It's happening. See what had happened was we're going 1 penny. That's what had happened. Let's get it. We gotta pump that volume up. We got music blasting here. Hopefully we don't have to do any overlays. I apologize if we have to. Please forgive me, everybody. 500 coin. Did you see that? We would have had 2 more. We had $500. Why 500 coin? Why? You should have given us that money. Hope everybody's doing well and crushing it out there. Hitting some monster hand paid jackpots. Bink, bink. Didn't do it, didn't do it. Come on. We need 3 of those cases. Seems like yesterday. We are gonna get a jackpot. I feel it. I feel we're gonna get a jackpot, everybody. You know it? I know it. We all know it. 250 coin. The big boys are out on pennies tonight. The big boys are out on pennies. Hope everybody is just smashing it, having good. Oh my gosh. My God. All the happiness is everywhere. We got monster coins. We got. Look at these coins. What is going on here? We gotta hit this. It's mandatory. This song is killing me. Come on now. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Briefcase went by on 2. Come on. I'm staying on pennies because I have never seen pennies this big. We got a briefcase. D told me to do something here. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. 3. Come on. Let's do it. Briefcase time. It sucked it up. How mean was that, huh? Briefcase! Come on, briefcase. Three. Come on. There we go, there we go. What did we get? $25? Briefcase time! 25, let's try it out. We're gonna go back to, we're gonna put 300 more in if this doesn't hit. One more time. All right, we're gonna put 300 more in, guys. All right, guys, we met a cool friend. It reset on us. Let's go. We're gonna get that $5. Let's hit it. We're going back to 5. We're going back to 5. Johnny 5's alive. Let's do it. Johnny 5 is alive. Let's get this bonus, everybody. All right, 11 bucks. Come on. Case. We got the, oh my gosh, look at those numbers on $5 spins. Unbelievable, guys. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Hit that follow button, leave a comment down below. Let's go. Roulette wheel. Wilds? That was a 200 chip. That was massive. That was, come on, do something. Give me a chip. Give me a chip. Anything? Hello? Knock, knock. All right, little something. $15, do something. All right. That was pretty bad, but we'll take it. Back to back. Back to back. That was rough. That was rough. Come on. Ooh, we need 30 more briefcases. She's got it. Yeah, baby. High stakes got it. Oh my, come on. These numbers are just mega on this. This is crazy. This is crazy. She's got it. We need the briefcases, your desire. Your Venus, I'm your fire, your desire. I've never seen numbers like this when I play pennies. It's time to hit those numbers. Stop being so stingy, Lightning Link. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes when you're stingy. Okay, she's got it. Yeah, baby, she's got it. Come on, Lightning Link. Do something for me. Oh, here we go. No, all the happiness went by. All the happiness went by. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's it?
Also, all video reel machines, $1 coin in earns you 2 points. And all video poker and deal games, $1 in earns you 1 point. Thank you.
Ooh, there we go. A little something, 28 bucks. Good luck. 2. Case. Double dirty. Double dirty. She's got it. Yeah, baby, she's got it. We need some briefcase. Come on now. Dirty doggies. Man, we have got to warm this machine up. 2. Come on, machine. Come on, you can do it. I didn't have enough power. I tried to summon it. I didn't have enough power. I didn't have enough power. Okay, you can end now, song. I'm over you. Yes, we get it. She's got it. I've had enough. Come on now. Thank goodness that is over. Did the big giant coins suck me in on the pennies? It may have, everybody. Come on now. All right. You got this. You got this, high stakes. Come on, high stakes. Any day high stakes. One! Finally high stakes. Jeez Louise. Let's do it. Let's get it. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Let's make a comeback. $10, we'll take it. Let's get a minor chip for 50. Mini for 10, we'll take it. Mini for 10, mini up. Regulators, mini up. Save it! Oh, dirty dog. Like $100. 110. 110. That's all right. We're gonna get it right away, back to back. Back to back. Back to back. Case. Come on. One. Dirty dog, dirty dog. When you get those 3 on the front or 5 on the front, hurts the feel goods, everybody. Hurts the feel goods. Come on now. Ooh, there we go. We got cars. We got a whole bunch. Whoa, $95. Yeah! We're getting on it now. We're getting on it now. Let's go. Gotta work this machine. Work this machine. Let's work it. $50. We will take that. 10 spot. Come on. There we go. $20. Save it. Yeah, $10. Slapping it. Save it one more time. Ooh, we'll take it, we'll take it. We're moving on up. Moving on up. $170. We are moving on up. All right, let's get it. Back to back, back to back. Now it's time to capitalize. It's going to happen. It's gonna happen. Briefcase got sucked up on 4. 1! That was a good one, too. That was a good one. That was a good one. Am I Evo? I don't know what the mix of the music is tonight. It's killing me a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh, these coins. All right, guys, we're gonna call it there. 300 in. or 600 in, 300 out. We didn't win this one, but we'll get them on the next one. Whoa, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, ladies, lizards in the house. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Let's crush it. Everybody's smashing it out there, crushing slots, taking names. That's a pretty good hit. Hold on a second, guys. Alright, sorry, we're back. I had to fix something on the recording, was being weird. That wasn't a bad hit. Oh, 6 balls to the walls. Oh, three! Wow, big ones. That was some mega balls. Get so excited when that 3 hits in the front, you know? Get so excited. We need 3 of the pots or more. Come on, pot. Just missed it by 1. Oh, there we go, little something. All right, it's bump it time, Bump it time. Did we bump it right? We almost bumped it right. Get that minor 2,500 ball. Let's get a bonus. That's what I'm saying. There we go. We got it. No, we don't. Oh. Pot. How are you going to do that to us, Pot? There we go, a little something. Ooh, ball blockers. Balls were everywhere. Where were you that time, ball blockers? Where were you that time, ball blockers? Pot! Oh, yeah! I thought the pot wasn't coming, and then it came on row 5. Nice job, pot 5. Nice job, pot 5. Come on, let's hit it. Retrigger. Almost. Hear it for the boys. Let's get some balls and dance. Pot, retrigger. Finish strong. Oh, do it, yeah! Bam! Minor ball. Let's go. We bumped it up right, guys. Bambo. We bumped it. Double stacks. Finish strong is what happened right there. Finish strong. We bumped it up. Land anything. Save it. There we go. We're still in it. Come on now. Save it. Oh, we'll take that. What a strong finish. Unbelievable. 2 stacks of 3. Unreal. I can't believe it dropped that. That is so awesome. What a finish. That is a finish strong. 2770. Did we even win anything on the previous spins? I don't even think so. That's what we're talking about. Gotta love it when he hits like that right away, right? Good thing we bumped it up right. Let's hit it. 2804. Bam! Awesome. Let's go. All right, guys, we'll be right back. Whoa, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back. We are waiting to get paid. We got the paperwork filled out. We're going to get it. Can we get back-to-back jackpots? Back to back, back to back. Let's get it. Let's see if we can get it. Cannot complain about that monster jackpot. Cannot complain about it. Pot, pot, pot. Ooh, pot, 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 pot. Pot, pot, pot went by. That 10 coming down one would have been awesome. Let's get another bonus. Come on! Ooh, there we go. 150. We will take that. We're back in it, we're back in it. Can we get double minor balls? Back-to-back minor ball? At 200, I'm gonna cash the ticket out and put it back in for some reason. I don't know why. All right, we're gonna cash it out. We're gonna put it back in. Cash it out, put it back in. Take my card out. Go back to games menu. Start over. Come on. Let's see if it works. Come on. Oh, I didn't sing back to back. Back to back. Back to back. All right, we're back in it. We got a queen. We got a queen. 3 stack would have been awesome. Missing the pots. Hanger pots. Hanger pots. Gotta love when that minor ball sits in there. Thinking blue, everybody. Thinking blue. And thinking pots. Pot! Come on now. All those pots going by. Pot, 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 pot. Pot, 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 pot. Come on, guys. Can we get back-to-back hand pace? $10 spins. Another minor ball. Bam, 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 bam. Let's go. Oh, I saw it flying. 2. So very close. Oh, 3. 2 stacks of 5 so far. 2 stacks of 3. Come on now. 3. We need to finish strong again. Finish strong. Oh, that was brutal. That was brutal. 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 64. We're gonna get it again. Pot, 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 pot. Come on, happy. Let's get hot, 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 hot. 2, 2, 2. Yeah! Held out strong. Minor ball right there. Or a 2,500 ball. Let's go. Slapping them in hard, slapping them in hard. Ooh, 40 ball, we'll take that. Ooh, I thought a 200 ball was gonna land. Bam! Minor ball. Save it! Come on, one more time to get spicy. Ah, we'll take it, we'll take it. We're still in it, we're still in it. Bring me a higher love. All right, 210. Let's get it. Back to back, back to back. We got to get a higher love, guys. Ooh, I thought a major ball was gonna go. Pot, pot, pot again. Pot, 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 pot. Come on. Oh, slap it in. Those are some good numbers. Here we go. No, we don't. All right, hold on. Let's 5 to 15 we're moving now. 5 to 15. Can we get a minor ball on the dollar spin? We got sticky buttons. We got sticky buttons. Give me a higher love. Oh. Pot, pot, pot. Oh, 3, 3, 3. I thought we did it. I thought we did it. We gotta get lucky, guys. We gotta get lucky. We need another jackpot. We need another jackpot. 3750 ball. We needed those Buddhas to be love. Be balls. Big one. Ooh, big one. Nice. $100, we'll take it. Slap it in. 2. Big one. Oh, I thought those kings were gonna connect. Big one. Dirty, dirty dog, you. Uh-oh, we're going for it. Get lucky. Do it. 12-5 ball. All right, guys, we gave it a go. Those are some big balls to end on. We're gonna get them next time. We got them this time, but we're gonna get them again. We're gonna get them for another 2,500. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. We had a wild ride. 300 in, 2804 out. Can't complain about that monster. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Love you. See you in the next one.